The Enchanted Amulet. Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a curious young girl named Lily. She stumbled upon an old, dusty book in her grandfather's attic, which spoke of an enchanted amulet hidden deep within the mystical forest. Determined to find the amulet's magical powers, Lily embarked on an adventure. Armed with the book's faded map, she ventured into the dense woods. Birds chirped as the sunlight filtered through the emerald canopy. As she delved deeper, the forest seemed alive with wonders. Strange creatures whispered ancient secrets, and colorful flowers bloomed at her touch. Yet the path ahead grew treacherous, and the shadows began to dance ominously. Just as doubt clouded her mind, Lily encountered a mischievous fox named Felix. He offered to guide her in exchange for a juicy apple. Trusting her instincts, she agreed, and their unlikely friendship blossomed. Following Felix's guidance, they reached a hidden glade. In the center lay a magnificent ancient tree, and beneath its roots was the amulet shimmering with celestial light. The magic within it seemed palpable, and Lily's heart raced with excitement. Before she could touch the amulet, a guardian spirit emerged, testing her worthiness. "To possess this amulet's might, you must be pure of heart," the spirit declared. Lily hesitated but drew courage from her longing to heal her village's ailments. Proving her purity, the amulet glowed and accepted Lily as its guardian. With newfound power, she returned to her village, healing the sick, bringing joy, and fostering prosperity. The villagers marveled at her gifts, but never knew the secret of the enchanted amulet. As time passed, Lily embraced her role, bringing harmony wherever she went. However, she never forgot the forest and her dear friend, Felix. They visited each other often, cherishing their bond and the magic that changed their lives. And so, the enchanting tale of Lily and the amulet became a legend, passed down through generations, inspiring young hearts to seek the magic within themselves and the beauty that lay hidden in the world around them.